departments every area in the education field, and our school too. We are working to develop in the education field and other extracurricular activities. We want our students to be a human being, and for which we are working for it. Here, I like to give one information regarding our class 11 students. So already from last year, we have started our science stream, and this year we start our art stream too. From 15 March, we'll give advanced coaching to our students, and the students who have appeared HLC examination and they have the confidence that they will pass the HLC examination, they can join with us and they can join in our coaching too. With free services, we like to give advanced classes to our students, where students will learn physics, where students will learn chemistry, where students will learn the biology, mathematics, English, and ML too. So we want to make our students advanced. The reason behind is that we want our students to be advanced like other institutions where students go for coaching and they are prepared as fast as to compete with other or to compete with the examination, and we are doing to that. And we are going to start from kind of coaching from 15 March. So our students, please, you can join with us, and we want the entire civil Sabri to be moving forward in educational field. Thank you.